Okay, it's the third box. It feels like Christmas with all this opening of boxes. Goodness. Okay. ATOMY Yang-Gaeng. Oh, okay, I know what this is. For those of you that don't know what Yang-Gaeng is, it's kind of it's a traditional East Asian snack or dessert. It's made from red beans. It's a jelly. I really enjoy it. But as you can see here, we have 3 different flavors. We have the original red bean flavor, then we have the walnut flavor, and we have the green tea flavor. So I'm gonna start with the original first. Let's check out this Yang-Gaeng. I really like it. So you can see here, you have to kind of push it up. Let's take a bite. Oh, it's so good. It's got a really good flavor. Oh my goodness. There is a lot of that red bean flavor in here, but it feels really natural. Okay, so it has almost 25% red bean and it's made with organic sugar. Yeah, you can definitely tell. It's a snack, it's a sweet, but it's not overpowering in its sweetness. It still feels rather natural and good for me. This is good. This would be so good with like tea or coffee.
So we got the tea for you. So do you want to try with the tea as well?
Oh yeah. Ooh, nice. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. So take a swig of my tea. This is good. All right, so we've got to move on to the other flavors though. So that was the red bean flavor. Now let's try the walnut flavor. All right. Oh, well, the color is a little bit different. So this is the original, right? But this one here, you can see the difference. The walnut is a little more brown. A little bit more brown, little clearer maybe. Similar texture. And this has 6.67% walnut. Okay, that's a lot of walnut in here. Let's try it. This is better than the original. I really like this one. This one, it kind of has like a maple syrupy flavor to it. I think because the walnut, it adds that nuttiness to the flavor. Oh, man, this is good. Okay. All right, so let's try the last one. Let's try the green tea. So here it has 0.33% of black sesame and 0.65% of green tea powder, which green tea powder is really strong. So 0.65, this is probably really going to taste a lot like green tea. I feel like I'm in a tea field, you know? Like you go out and you go to harvest the green tea and it just like comes over you, the smell, the taste. This is refreshing. These are good. My goodness. There are 15 of these in here, 3 different flavors. I might send this to my mom. She would really like these. These are really nice.